Abdominal bracing. Start by lying on your back. Make sure your head is supported by a pillow or your hands. Don't let your back arch. See if you can get your spine to be flat against the ground. Check, do your ribs flare? Can your back touch the ground? If not, put your hands on your hips. Try to roll your pelvis upward towards you. You'll see that your back will flatten against the ground. If not, try to press your low back into the ground and hold for 5 seconds, 20 times. Diaphragmatic breathing. Start by placing one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. Take a few deep breaths in. Try to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Focus on getting the hand that's on your belly to rise. It should rise first. Your upper chest should not rise first, and your shoulders should not be tense. Focus on breathing through your belly. Try to do this for 5 minutes. Once you can hold your abdominal brace, progress this to something harder. Try holding your legs up at 90 degrees with the knees bent. Make sure you keep your back flat against the floor and just hold. Once that's easy, start alternating your legs back and forth, extending one at a time, keeping your back flat. You can try doing heel taps, alternating down one at a time. If you have any back pain, stop.